Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to schedule upload a video to your Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a Facebook like page and a video that we will be uploading. Wait, can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using the shortcut within bookmarks. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Let's now go to Create Post. Click on Bulk Upload Videos. Now let's go to a new desktop. Go to the Facebook folder. Extract the video from there. Right click. Copy. Paste to the desktop. Close out of Finder. Go back to Facebook Creator Studio. Add videos. Select that video that was copied and pasted to the desktop. Click on Upload. Now let's navigate to a new tab. Locate that same video within YouTube Studio, as we will be copying and pasting the data from that video. Go to YouTube Creator Studio. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Let's now use a shortcut to filter for Google Drive. Go to the first video. Extract the content from description. Go within more edit options. Paste that description. Take the title. Change that to how to upload files to Google Drive. Let's now click on Select More and add a couple of tags. How to use Google Drive on a Mac, Computer Science Videos, click on Next. Click on Next again, click on Schedule Upload. We wish to have this scheduled for today, 23/05, and today. We can also add this video to a playlist if we need to. All videos, Computer Science Videos, click on Save. Let's now click on Publish. Processing your post. This may take a moment or two, but we know that this video will go live today at 11 o'clock and 5 minutes p.m. Click on Done. Your bulk upload is processing. So let's now go back to Home. Go to Content. Go to Scheduled. And that video should live within that section. And there we go. The video itself is processing and will upload at that specific time. Or should I say will be made live within Facebook Creator Studio. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.